Hi students, welcome back to online classes. So see that one, we are discussing that the objective for multiples and submultiple angles. In the previous class we are completed that question number 9. So today we are going to start that question number 10. So see the question number 10. So what is the question number 10 is? So see that question students, 4 cos cube 40 degrees minus 3 sin 50 degrees. So here what I am going to start that 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, it will become cos 3 theta, but one term is in cos and another term is a sin, so I will change this sin term into cos. So how can you written this? This can be written as 4 cos cube 40 degrees minus 3 into this sin theta, you can written as cos of 90 minus theta. So that is nothing but 90 minus 50 degrees. So that is equal to 4 cos cube 40 degrees minus 3 into cos 90 minus 50 is nothing but 40 degrees. So what is the formula? Already know that cos 3 theta is equal to, what is the cos 3 theta formula students? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So here it is in the form of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So it will become cos 3 theta. So that is nothing but cos 120 degrees. So cos 120 is nothing but minus 1 by 2. So see that question students. All are understood that? So see the next question number 11. So what is the question number 11? So secant 72 degrees minus secant 36 degrees. So secant theta you can written as cosecant 90 minus theta, yes or no? So automatically cosecant 90 minus 72 is nothing but 18 degrees minus secant 36. So what is the meaning of cosecant? Cosecant is nothing but it is the reciprocal of sine, minus secant is the reciprocal of cos. So what is the sin 18 formula? Sin 18 is nothing but root 5 minus 1 by 4. The reciprocal you can take the term as 4 by root 5 minus 1 minus, what is the cos 36 formula students? 4 by root, that is the root 5 plus 1 by 4. You can take the reciprocal, it will become 4 by root 5 plus 1. So what happens here? I will take the 4 common and I will take the LCM is root 5 minus 1 into root 5 plus 1. Take the LCM, what happens? Already you are taken the 4 common, so you can multiply that here. It will become that root 5 plus 1 minus root 5 minus 1. So what happens students? 4 into, so here root 5 plus 1 minus of minus, that is nothing but root 5 minus root 5 will be cancelled. So 1 minus of minus plus 1, that is a 2 by a square minus b square. A square is nothing but a 5 square, that is nothing but the 5. B square is nothing but a 1. So what happens students? 4 into 2 by 4. So the answer, it will become the 2. The answer is 2. So see that question students. See the question number 12. So what is the question number 12? So see that question students. So what is the question number 12? 180 degrees is less than theta less than 270 degrees, and also they are given sin theta is equal to minus 3 by 5. So then what is the question is, they are asking cos theta by 2, cos theta by 2. They are asking the value of cos theta by 2. So see this question, students. So first you have to understand that theta is belongs to 180 and 270, that implies, so this is that. So if you can divide with 2, it will become that 90 is less than theta by 2 is less than 135 degrees. That implies theta 2 belongs to the second quadrant. Theta by 2 is belongs to the second quadrant. Okay. So and also see here from the triangle, from this triangle. So what is the sine theta? Sine theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. So what is the opposite side, students? It is the 3 by 5. Automatically the adjacent side is a 4. So from this one, cos theta is equal to minus 4 by 5. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So theta is belongs to the third quadrant, since theta is belongs to Q3. Theta is 180 to 270. So theta is in third quadrant, and the third quadrant cos is negative. So that's why you are taken minus 4 by 5. Therefore, already we know that cos theta by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos theta by 2. Cos theta by 2 formula, what is the? From the half angle formula, cos theta by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos theta by 2. And here that implies cos theta by 2 is equal to, I am taking the minus. Why? Because theta by 2 belongs to the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is negative. So I will take the minus, students, square root of 1. Cos theta value is a minus 4 by 5 whole by 2. So that is equal to minus square root of, take the LCM, 5 minus 4 by 2 into 5. So that is equal to minus 5 minus 4 is a 1 by root 10. So 1 by root 10. So see that question, students. So first we have to understand that theta is belongs to the third quadrant. Theta by 2 belongs to the second quadrant. Sin theta is a minus 3 by 5, cos theta is a minus 4 by 5, and cos theta by 2 formula is a plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos theta by 2. Okay. So see that question, students. And see the question number 13. So what is the question number 13 is? So see the question number 13. Sin theta plus sin 2 theta, sin theta plus sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos theta plus cos 2 theta. Sin theta plus sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos theta plus cos 2 theta. Okay. So see this question, students. So what is the formulas I am going to use? Sin 2 theta formula and cos 2 theta formula. Apply these two formulas, you will get the answer. Okay. So see this one. Sin theta plus sin 2 theta you can written as 2 sin theta cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta plus cos 2 theta formula you can written as 2 cos square theta minus 1, 2 cos square theta minus 1. So in the numerator I will take that sin theta common. It will become that 1 plus 2 cos theta. In the denominator I will cancel this 1 and this minus 1, and the remaining value is cos theta plus 2 cos square theta. In the denominator I will take that cos theta common. What is the remaining value, students? It will become that 1 plus 2 cos theta, 1 plus 2 cos theta. So what happens here? 1 plus 2 cos theta, 1 plus 2 cos theta will be cancelled. So you will get that sin theta by cos theta. So that is nothing but tan theta. That is nothing but tan theta. So see that question, students. So the answer is option 3 is the answer. Okay. So see that question. So try the question number 14. So direct formula is that. So see the question number 15. So what is the question number 15 is? So see that question, students. What is the question number 15? So sin 12a by sin 4a minus cos 12a by cos 4a. So sin 12a by sin 4a minus cos 12a by cos 4a. So this is the value they are asking. Okay. So see this question, students. So first I will take the LCM here. So what is the LCM? You can take a sin 4a and cos 4a. If you can take the LCM, what it will become? That sin 12a into cos 4a minus cos 12a into sin 4a. So just I am taking the LCM. In the numerator, what is the formula you have? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b is nothing but sin of a minus b. So that is nothing but 12a minus 4a by, in the denominator, sin theta cos theta is there. So if you can multiply and divide with 2, you can written as 2 into sin 4a cos 4a. Just multiplied and divided. Why? Because it is in the form of 2 sin theta cos theta. Then it will become sin 2 theta. So in the numerator, it will become that sin 12a minus 4a, it will become that 8a by 1 by 2 into 2 sin theta cos theta, it will become sin 2 theta. In the place of theta you have a 4. 2 into 4a, it will become 8a. So it will become that sin 8a. So here sin 8a and sin 8a will be cancelled. It will become that 2 you can take into the numerator. It will become that 2 is the answer. 2 is the answer. Okay. So see that one. The option 3 is the answer. Okay. So see that question, students. See the question number 16. Same question. So it is repeated. So that is the same model question of 10. So see the question number 17. So see the question number 17. So what is that question, students? Sin square 24 degrees minus sin square 6 degrees. Sin square 24 minus sin square 6. So what is the formula? Already you know that. So already know the formula. So what is that, students? Sin square theta minus sin square a. Sin square a minus sin square b is equal to sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. So what is the formula? Sin square a minus sin square b is nothing but sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. So I will apply this formula here. So what happens? That is nothing but sin of a plus b is nothing but 24 degrees plus 6 degrees into sin of 24 degrees minus 6 degrees. So that is equal to sin 30 degrees into sin 18 degrees. Sin 30. What is the sin 30? Sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2 into sin 18 is nothing but root 5 minus 1 by 4. So the answer will become that root 5 minus 1 by 8. Root 5 minus 1 by 8. So see that question, students. See the next question, question number 18. So what is the question number 18 is? So see that question, students. So tan theta is equal to b by a. Tan theta is equal to b by a. Then what is the question? What is the question? Square root of a plus b by a minus b plus square root of a minus b by a plus b. So tan theta is equal to b by a, then they are asking this value. Okay, so here what I will do, that one I will change all the term in terms of a tan. Okay, so how can you change that? If the b by a is there, we can replace by tan theta. So what I will do, that one I will divide the numerator and denominator with a. Here also I will divide the numerator and denominator with a. What happens? It will become that root of 1 plus b by a by 1 minus b by a plus square root of, here also we will do that one, divide the numerator and denominator with a. It will become that 1 minus b by a by 1 plus b by a. I am divided the numerator and denominator with a. Okay, so in the place of b by a, we can replace the tan theta. It will become the root of 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta plus square root of 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. So here what we will take the LCM here, root of 1 minus tan theta into root of 1 plus tan theta. I am taking the LCM, root of 1 minus tan theta into root of 1 plus tan theta is the LCM. Root of 1 plus tan theta into root of 1 plus tan theta. Root will be cancelled in the numerator. It will become that 1 plus tan theta. I am taking this one. So if you can take the LCM, you can multiply that 1 plus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta is 1 plus tan theta whole square. The root will be cancelled for the numerator. Okay, plus here also 1 minus tan theta into 1 minus tan theta, 1 minus tan theta whole square, under root is there, so the root will be cancelled. It will become that 1 minus tan theta. So what is the term will be cancelled here? You can cancel the value. So tan theta and tan theta will be cancelled. It will become that 1 plus 1, that is the 2 by root of 1 minus tan square theta. So here 2 by root of 1 minus this tan square theta you can written as sin square theta by cos square theta. And take the LCM is the cos square theta. What happens? That is equal to 2 by root of cos square theta minus sin square theta whole by root cos square theta. And taken the LCM and separated the roots. So what happens, students? So this square and the root will be cancelled. It will become cos theta. You can take into the numerator. It will become that 2 cos theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is the cos 2 theta formula. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is a cos 2 theta formula. So it will become that root of cos 2 theta. So what is the value? It will become that 2 cos theta by root cos 2 theta. So check the answer. So that is nothing but a 2 cos theta by root cos theta. So the option 2 is the answer. Okay. So change all the terms in the tan and take the simplification. You will get that 2 cos theta by root cos 2 theta. Okay. So see that question, students, and see the next question, question number 19. So what is the question number 19 is? So that question is nothing but the CET 2019 question is that. So see that question, students. So that is root 3 cosecant 20 degrees minus secant 20 degrees. Root 3 cosecant 20 degrees minus secant 20 degrees. So simplify that question, students. So this question we are already did that. So see that one, what we will do that. So this can be written as, root 3 by cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So it will become that sine 20 degrees minus 1 by secant is nothing but the cos. It is the cos 20 degrees. This is the question we are did. Okay. So that is the question they are given, that they are simplified this one into this model. They are given this question, but this question we are already did. Okay. So see this one, take the LCM. What happens, students? So that is equal to, so root 3 cos 20 degrees minus sine 20 degrees by sine 20 degrees into cos 30 degrees. So what we are did for this question, is, so what we are did that in the numerator I am multiplied and divided with 2. So that is nothing but divided with 2, root 3 by 2 into cos 20 minus 1 by 2 into sin 20 by, or understand that I am multiplied and divided with 50. Take the 2 LCM and you can cancel that, you will get the same term. Okay, multiplied and divided with 2. In the denominator, what I will do that one, I will divide and multiply with 2. So here multiplied and divided, here divided and multiplied. Okay, nothing will happen. 2 will be cancelled, you will get the same term. Why I am did like this? So that is nothing but, you can take this 2 to the numerator, it will become 4 into root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 in terms of sine is nothing but a sine 60 degrees into cos 20 minus this 1 by 2 I will change cos 60 degrees into sine 20 degrees by, in the denominator I am already taken the 2 to the numerator, it will become 4. So 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta. 2 theta, what is the theta? Is 20 degrees. So what happens, students? 4 into sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, it will become that sin of A minus B sin 40. So sin 60 minus 20 is a sin 40. So the answer is 4. So see that question, students. So see the next question, question number 20. So what is the question number 20 is? So see that question, students. So tan A is equal to 1 minus cos B by sin B, 1 minus cos B by sin B. So that implies tan 2A minus tan B is equal to, so tan A is equal to 1 minus cos B by sin B value is given. So they are asking tan 2A minus tan 2B, that is the minus tan B value. Okay, so this is the question they are asking. So see that question, students, how to solve this one here. So first we will start that what is the condition is given. So this condition, so that implies tan A is equal to 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta formula 1 minus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos theta formula, half angle formula students. So 2 sin square theta by 2, 2 sin square theta by 2, and also sin theta formula, half angle, this is also half angle formula. It can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. So use these two formulas here. What happens? Sin A is equal to 1 minus cos theta, 2 sin square theta by 2. You can written as 2 sin square B by 2 by sin B. Sin theta you can written as 2 sin B by 2 into cos B by 2. 2 sin B by 2 into cos B by 2. 2 will be cancelled. The square and sin B by 2 will be cancelled. So what it will give? That implies tan A is equal to sin B by 2 by cos B by 2. So that implies tan A is equal to sin by cos is nothing but the tan. So that is nothing but the tan B by 2. So that implies A is equal to B by 2. So that implies 2A is equal to B. A is equal to B by 2. 2A is equal to B. Apply the tan on both the sides. You will get that tan 2A is equal to tan B. Tan 2A is equal to tan B. And take this value to this side. So that implies tan 2A minus tan B. It will become 0. Tan 2A minus tan B, it will become 0. Are you understand that, students? So see that question. So see the next question, question number 21. So what is the question number 21 is? So see that question, students. Tan 9 degrees minus tan 27 degrees, minus tan 63 degrees plus tan 81 degrees. So see that question, students, how to solve this one. So I am already given one formula that. So what is that one is? Tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2 cosecant 2 theta, 2 cosecant 2 theta. I am already given this formula, students. So see this one. So what I will do that one. So that is a tan 9 degrees plus tan 81 degrees minus, from these two I will take that. So tan 27 degrees plus tan 63 degrees. I am taking these two terms and I am taking the minus common from these two terms. You will get the tan 27 degrees plus tan 63 degrees. So see this one, tan 9 degrees, tan 81 degrees you can written as cot 90 minus 81. So automatically you can written as cot 9 degrees. Tan 81, tan theta is nothing but cot 90 minus theta. So 90 minus 81 is a 9. So automatically it will convert into cot. So minus, what is this value? You can written as a tan 27 degrees, tan 63. You can written as 90 minus 63 is a 27. So automatically it will convert into cot 27 degrees. So it is in the form of tan theta plus cot theta. You can written as a 2 cosecant 2 theta. So that is nothing but the 2 into cosecant 2 into 9 degrees minus 2 into cosecant 2 into 27 degrees. So that is nothing but 2 into cosecant 18 degrees minus 2 into cosecant 54 degrees. So what you can written as a 2 by, you can take the 2 common, students. So I will take the 2 common. So cosecant 18, so cosecant 18 you can written as, how can you written that? 1 by sine 18 degrees minus cosecant 54. Cosecant 54 you can written as 1 by sine 54 degrees. Sine 54 degrees. So what is that? So that is equal to 2 into 1 by sine 18. 1 by sine 18 is nothing but sine 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4. Root 5 minus 1 by 4. So that value is nothing but 4 by root 5 minus 1 minus sine 54. Sine 54 is nothing but the cos 36. Yes or no? Sine 54 is nothing but cos 36. Cos 36 is nothing but 4 by, that is the root 5 minus root 5 plus 1 by 4. So if you can take the reciprocal here, sine 54, that is nothing but you will get that 4 by root 5 plus 1. So that is nothing but you can take the 4 also common. 2 into 4 and you can take the LCM is root 5 minus 1 into root 5 plus 1. So you will get that root 5 plus 1 minus root 5 minus 1 by root 5 minus 1 into root 5 plus 1. So what happens? So that is equal to 8 into, here you can cancel that plus root 5 and minus root 5 will be cancelled. 1 plus 1 it will become the 2 by a square minus b square. 5 minus 1 is the 4. So you can cancel the value, students, here. This is the 2, it will become the 4. So see that question, students. See the question number 21. All are understood that? So first we have to understand this formula tan theta. I am already given the proof in the synopsis. Tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2 cosecant 2 theta. I am already given the proof. Okay. So see that I will use that formula here. So tan 9 plus tan 81. Tan 81 I will return that cot 90 minus theta. So that is nothing but 81. 90 minus 81 is nothing but the cot 9 degrees. So here tan 63. Tan 63 you can change it to the cot 90 minus 63 degrees, it will become that cot 27. It is in the form of tan theta plus cot theta. It will become 2 cosecant 2 theta. So cosecant 18 is nothing but 1 by sine 18. Sine 18 value is root 5 minus 1 by 4. Take the reciprocal. And sine 54 is nothing but the cos 36. Cos 36 value is nothing but root 5 plus 1 by 4. Take the reciprocal. 4 by root of 5 plus 1. 4 by root 5 plus 1. Okay. So take the LCM and simplify that. You will get the answer. Okay. So see that question, students. So see the question number 22. So what is the question number 22? See that question, students. Cos 6 degrees into sine 84 degrees, sine 24, not that 84, that is the 24 degrees into cos 72 degrees. Cos 72 degrees. So see that question, students. What I will do that one. So I know one formula. What is that? Sin theta into sine 60 minus theta into sine 60 plus theta. So that is equal to 1 by 4 into sine 3 theta. I will use this formula here, students. So see that carefully. So I will use this formula. So what I will change that? First I will change that one, cos 18. Cos 18 you can written as sine 84 degrees into sine 24 degrees into cos 72 degrees. Cos theta you can written as sine 90 minus theta. Cos 6 you can written as sine 84. I understand that. So next what I will do that one. So this is the 24 and this is the 84. So what is the difference? Is the 6 plus 24 is that. So I will do this one, sine 24 degrees into sine 36 degrees into sine 84 degrees by sine 36 degrees. Sine 36 degrees into cos 72 degrees. What I am did? Just I am multiplied and divided with sine 36. Sir, why you are did this one? Why? Because see that carefully, students. So it is sine 24. Sine 36 is nothing but sine 60 minus 24. Yes or no? 60 minus 24 is the 36. And sine 84 is nothing but 60 plus 24 by sine 36 into cos 72 degrees into cos 72 degrees. Already I am given the formula. What is that? Sin theta into sin 60 minus theta into sin 60 plus theta. It will become that 1 by 4 into sin 3 theta. Yes or no? So that is nothing but it will become that 1 by 4 into sin 3 into what is the theta? Theta is nothing but the 24 degrees. Yes or no? Whole by sin 36 degrees into cos 72 degrees. So that is equal to 1 by 4 into sin 72 degrees into cos 72 degrees by sin 36 degrees. So one more step I will do here. 1 by 8. I am taking that, multiply and dividing with 2. If you can divide this, it will become 1 by 8, and you can multiply with 2 sin 72 degrees and cos 72 degrees by sin 36 degrees. Why I am multiplied and divided with 2? It will become 2 sin theta cos theta form. So then you can written as 1 by 8 into 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta, it will become that sin 2 theta. Yes or no? So 2 into 72, it is become that 154 degrees by sin 36 degrees. So that is equal to 1 by 8 sin 154. So what is the meaning of sin 154? See students, sin theta is equal to sin of 180 minus theta. Sin 180 minus theta is the sin theta, yes or no? So this sin 154 degrees you can written as sin of 180 minus 154 degrees, yes or no? So it will become sin 36 degrees. It will become that sin 36 degrees. Are you understand that? So that is nothing what you can take this value here. So what happens? So it will become that sin 36 degrees by sin 36 degrees. You can cancel these two students. It will become that 1 by 8 is the answer. Okay. So see that question students. So one mistake is that. So 72 into 2 is nothing but 144 actually. So see these students here. So it is not a 154 actually, it is a 144. That's why I am getting the mistake here. It is a 144 actually. So this is the 144. 180 minus 144. 180 minus 144. That is nothing but 36. Okay. So that is not a 154 students. So check that one. So 2 sin 2 theta. 2 sin 2 theta is nothing but a sin 2 into 72 is a 144. Okay. So sin 144 you can written as a sin of 180 minus 144. It will become that sin 36 degrees. So you can replace that value here. So it will become that 1 by 8 into sin 36 degrees by sin 36 degrees. You can cancel these two. It will become 1 by 8. Okay. So see that question students. So that meaning is you have to apply this condition and you have to know this formula, then only you will get the answer for this question. Okay. So see that question students. So see the next question students. See the question number 23. So what is the question number 23 is? So cos square pi by 10 cos square pi by 10 plus cos square 2 pi by 5 plus cos square 3 pi by 5 plus cos square 9 pi by 10 pi by 10 2 pi by 5 3 by 5 and 9 pi by 10. So they are asking this value. Okay, so see students how to solve these values are. So that is equal to, so cos square, so pi by 10 is nothing but 180, that is the 180 by 10 is nothing but 18 degrees plus, so that is nothing but 2 into pi by 5, that is nothing but the 4 pi by 10, 4 into pi by 10, yes or no? So that is nothing but 4 into 18, so that is nothing but cos square 72 degrees plus cos square 3 pi by 5, cos square 3 pi by 5 is nothing but 6 into pi by 10, 6 into pi by 10, so 6 into 18 is nothing but 108 degrees plus cos square 9 into 18, so that is nothing but 162 degrees. 162 degrees. So see that one here. So what is the condition? You will get that cos square 18 degrees, cos square 18 degrees plus, so if a plus b is equal to 90 degrees, if a plus b is equal to 90 degrees or 270 degrees, a plus b is equal to 90 or 270. If a plus b is 90, then see this one, cos square a plus cos square b. What happens students? Cos square a plus cos square b will become that cos square a plus cos square, in the place of b you can written as 90 minus a, so it will become that cos square a plus cos 90 minus theta is the sin theta, it will become that sin square a, so it will become 1. Yes or no? Similarly, if 270 also same, why? Because cos 270 minus a, cos 270 minus a is nothing but a minus sin a, whole square is there, it will become sin square a once again. So see this condition students, if a plus b is 90 or 270, what happens? Cos square a plus cos square b value, it will become 1. So here cos square 18 plus cos square 72 degrees plus cos square 108 degrees plus cos square 162 degrees. So one step answer is that is the 1 plus 1. So the answer will become the 2 only. The answer will become 2. Okay. So see this formula students. If you know this formula, you will get the answer in one step. Okay. So read that formula students. Okay. So we will continue in the next class.